Non-greedy selectors. Have you heard about this term? Non-greedy selectors. What is this? How to use it? What is the purpose of it? So let me explain you. Let's say you are working on a browser activity or any application, common application. Let's say browser is one of the good example. Let's say I have to work on a website rpachallenge.com and there are two different websites. Okay. Now what happens when you are having two different windows or three different windows or four different windows of the same website, and on every window you wanted to do certain things. So in such cases what would happen, let's say you wanted to click something, right? You want to click something. So when you're having multiple windows, so this is a page. If you click on movie search, then this page comes, right? So there are multiple different windows of the same same website. So RPA challenge is the website name, and with that there are a lot of different pages available. And when I have to click on a given page, let's say when I use a click activity and try to click on get popular movies, so what would happen? Your selector would fail because it will not be able to identify. It might even search here and see, okay, there is no option called get search movies, and it will throw you an error or it will not work. Or it might sometimes even search here and sometimes it works. So there is inconsistency. So let me show you. So let me simply use a click activity. Okay. So when you are dealing with multiple windows of the same application or same website, this is the challenge you will face where you have to use non-greedy selector. So let me show you. Just click on indicate on screen. Okay. And here I have to click get popular movies. Okay. So the moment I do this, it has done the job. But remember, in the background there are two different tabs open of the same site, just different portion of it. Okay, different pages of the same site. Okay, now what is happening when you go to the selectors? What the selector is saying, chrome.exe title rpachallenge.com web get popular movies, correct, right? Everything is correct. But if you are validating, see, it's not able to validate. Do you know why? Even though, see, even though this page is open in the background, which is on the focus, still I am trying to validate. Sometimes it may get a green symbol, sometimes it may not. But if I do what I do, if I close this tab, okay, now there's only one tab. Now try to validate, it works. So this kind of inconsistency, sometimes even there are two tabs, you might get a green mark, but when you run it for first time or second time or third time, you will find your selector is not working. Okay, let me show you. Now it is green, right? So let me open the rpachallenge.com. So if I validate once again, still it will say green. Okay, fine, great. Now let me run it and see if it works properly or not. Okay, so there is a green tick mark, we got it, we have validated. Let me run it. So if I run it, what would happen? Best of my knowledge, it will not work. It will generally 50% it may work, it may not work. There is an inconsistency. So how do you ensure even there are multiple tabs open, still it goes there and clicks what it needs to do? Okay, now let me go back. Okay, still see the execution is still running. That means it's taking its own sweet time and unable to find where to click. Okay, it's not able to do the job even though the tab is there in the background. Okay, so for this one, to fix this problem, we have to use something called non-greedy selector. Okay, it got an error. All right, so let me tell you what is it. It is very simple, but again very useful. If somebody asks you what is a non-greedy selector, you should answer them when the multiple tabs of the same application or same website is open and you are using a selector, right? There it may not be able to function, may or may not function. That is where I have to use a non-greedy selector. So how to use a non-greedy selector? Simply type IDX. So IDX stands for Internet Data Exchange. Okay, IDX, which is that so the first window will be 1, second window will be 2, third will be 3, like that it is. Okay, so here instead of having a proper number, what I'm going to do, I'll put a single quote, and here in the single quote I'm going to write a star. That's all. So just by writing this, if you validate now, see, it is getting a green signal. Just now it was not working, now it is working. Okay, so it got a green signal, very good. Now click on OK. Now let me do one thing. What I'm going to do, see, this is the, if I click on get popular movies, all of this would change. Okay, so I'm right now in the foreground, I'm keeping only this one, okay, RPA challenge, but it will go through all the tabs, which are, let's say I'm opening 3-4 tabs, doesn't matter for it. Wherever I keep this tab where this movie is there, and I'm keeping this one, the other page on the foreground. Now if I run it, still it is going to work. So just remember, the moment you click on it, this picture will change. Okay, so you should remember that. So now let me run it just to demonstrate it. Let me run this. Okay, just wait for a second, let it finish. You saw it, it came to the third tab and did the job. What if I open few more tabs, let's say RPA challenge, and I'm going to keep it somewhere in between. Okay, I have opened multiple RPA challenges, and here let's say in the last tab, okay, last tab or the third tab, I'm opening the movie search. Okay, now it should come to this fourth tab now, and hit on the get popular movies. Okay, just remember this is the page now, so we'll go back to some other page. So we are in the second tab now. It should be able to find the fourth tab and click there. So let me run it again. So this is what the benefit of a non-greedy selector. Okay, run started. So let's wait. You saw that it went to fourth tab and clicked on get popular mode. So that is the use of non-greedy selector. Thank you guys for watching. We upload videos every day. Please do subscribe to our channel. Please do like all the videos if they are helping you. Thank you so much. Have a great day.